Hi there, Dave Motohead again. We're going to test fire the first Desert Fine motor. We loosened up a valve and we got our compression back in cylinder number 2. We got it all rigged up. Show the motor, Jake. We built the carburetors, got the other two blocked off, just threw the shroud on there, plugged all our vacuum leaks. Go here, show them we got a rigged up oil pressure gauge. So we're going to fire this puppy up and see what happens. What do you think, Jake?
Might work.
Let's hook this up here. Hook our little handy duty battery connector up here. Our little test jumper. Well, what do you think of that? It actually runs. This is Dave Motohead saying, thanks for watching.